Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change font color in VLC media player. So guys, if you are using subtitle to watch VLC media player, any video or movie, so you can change font color easily. Open VLC. Open the VLC media player. Now here click on Tools, then Preferences. Now here click on Subtitles. Now guys, to change color, here you will see the option Text Default Color. The color of the text that will be rendered on the video, this must be an now here guys you can change the default color. Click here, select your desired color, and also guys you can select any custom color. Then click on OK. Also you can change outline color. Then save it. So this is the way you can change color in VLC. Thanks for watching.